Oh wait, I forgot. I always forget my intro. Hello, I am with my
mom.
and we are reading
Maybird and the Ever After.
Yes, this is
Maybird.
I said this was her mom.
Maybird's mom. Maybird. And Somber Kitty.
And then we are going to start the story in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, Chapter 1, A Sack of Beans. May Ellen Bird, age 10, occasionally glanced at the brochure her mom had taped to her door that afternoon and scowled. St. Agatha's Boarding School for Girls with High Socks. A few minutes ago, May had taken her black marker and written the word socks over what had originally been the last word of the headline. Judging by the photos of the girls in stiff plaid uniforms plastering the brochure, girls with high prospects were not nearly as accurate. The Woods watched silently through the farthest east window of White Moss Manor as May tried to concentrate on her work, and sometimes, looking up from the curious projects strewn across her desk, chewing on a pencil, May watched them back. Skinny and straight with short black bobbed hair and big brown eyes, May ran her fingers over the objects before her. A clump of black fur, a light bulb, a jar, a book titled Secrets of the Egyptian Mummies, and some wire. Occasionally, May swiveled to gaze at Somber Kitty, who lay across her bed like a discarded piece of laundry. His belly faced the ceiling, and he eyed her lazily. Neither May nor Somber Kitty knew it, but passing squirrels and chipmunks thought the cat was decidedly ugly. He had huge pointy ears and a skitty tail. He was mostly bald, with just a little bit of fuzz covering his soft skin. His mouth was turned down in a thoughtful frown.
Sorry.
Excuse me. Sorry. An expression he had been wearing ever since May had gotten him 3 years before, on her 7th birthday. May had disliked him immediately. He's bald, she said. He's a hairless Rex, her mom had replied. He's interesting. He looks depressed. He's somber. May's mom had explained that somber